Alright, first video for my YouTube channel, sharing something that I'm very happy and passionate about, which is desert racing. Bought this thing brand new, rolled it, bent the chassis, and it turned into a full race car build. Just did our first race in Vorra, sportsman class, and we got first place. So next time we are going to try the pro stock class, see how that goes. Nothing too crazy, just all the chassis reinforcements, front gusset kit, sway bars, suspension springs, tires, rims, exhaust, bunch of tube work, cage, radiator, relocation to the back, and then all the racing stuff, fire extinguisher inside, fire extinguisher outside, fireball, which is the cheap fire suppression, that orange ball in there. That's about it. Aluminum dash, Simpson seats, PRP harnesses, clean air. Still got some finishing touches to put on it, but worked good enough for our first race. Hashtag Red Jerk Racing. Please give us a like on Instagram, redjerk_racing. More videos to come.